This compact IGEYAPA 63A mini automatic transfer switch delivers reliable two-pole switching for dual power sources in home and recreational vehicle setups. Its automatic mode reacts in roughly 0.05 seconds when the primary line fails, keeping sensitive equipment powered with barely noticeable interruption. Clear status lights and a straightforward manual override make it easy to see which source is active and to take control when you need to perform maintenance or testing. Built-in overvoltage and undervoltage thresholds for 110-volt systems help protect connected circuits from unstable mains conditions. The unit mounts neatly on a standard rail and fits well into distribution boxes, so it integrates cleanly into existing residential or small commercial panels. With compatibility for grid, generator, and solar inputs, it suits a wide range of backup power scenarios from household emergency systems to small data or refrigeration loads.